Alright, so topic number 1 that you need to know for your exam is the effect of drugs. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to define what a drug is. So that's going in box number 1. What is a drug? So for the exam, you need to know that a drug is a chemical substance that changes the way the body works. Okay, there's 5 main types of drugs that we've learnt about. Narcotics, hallucinogens, stimulants, depressants and painkillers. So what we need to do is underneath effect of drugs, we need to write 5 types of drug. And then we don't want to write all this out. When you're making your notes, there's far too much here on these 2 pages. All you need to do is pick the essential bits. So the bits in bold are the bits that we need to put on our mind map. So under the 5 types of drugs, we need number 1, narcotic. So this is the drug that makes you fall asleep. So all I'm going to do is put some Z's there for sleep, and that'll remind me when I look back at my mind map, I'll know that one of the 5 types of drug is a narcotic and it makes you fall asleep. Next one is hallucinogen. So remember, a hallucinogen was found by Albert Hofmann in 1938. You don't need to know all that. All you need to know is that a hallucinogen is a drug like magic mushrooms and LSD that make you see crazy stuff. So all I'm going to do is draw a little spaced out man, and he's seeing some crazy stuff. Okay, so now I know that the 5 types of drug, I've done 2 so far. Number 1, narcotic, makes you fall asleep. Number 2, hallucinogen, makes you see weird things. So an example of hallucinogen, to remind me, I can put LSD or acid. 3rd type of drug is a stimulant. So a stimulant, like we said before, it does exactly what it sounds like. It stimulates you. That means it speeds up your reactions. So if you speed up your reactions, you decrease your reaction time because you're reacting quicker. So for stimulant, all I'm going to put is a massive can of Red Bull, because the main stimulant that you need to know is caffeine. Okay? The next, so far we've got 5 types of drug, just to go back over. Narcotic makes you sleep, hallucinogen makes you see crazy things, and a stimulant like caffeine speeds up your reaction, so it decreases your reaction time. So the next one, I'm going to go over here in my mind map, is a depressant. A depressant is an opposite of caffeine, opposite of a stimulant, so I'm just going to draw a little arrow between stimulant and depressant and just put opposite because I need to remember that. And a depressant, an example would be alcohol. It's the main one you need to know. Main depressant is alcohol, and this decreases your reaction, so it increases your reaction time. Okay? Because it increases your reaction time, you are more likely to crash in your car. So what we've done there, last one we need to put, we can fit it in over here, is a painkiller. And this does exactly what it says. It just blocks pain signals. So it works on your brain. So I'm going to draw a little brain over there. So what we've got there in this mind map is all of that. 2 double pages with far too much writing for us to remember. We've just condensed that into that. And if you do what I did at GCSE, which is I made a mind map like this and I stuck it on my wall in a certain place, and you can just memorise that dead quick, and that saves all that reading. So that's number 1, the effect of drugs. Next one will be, we've just done reaction time, smoking. So video number 2 will be smoking.